My dear students, in previous class we know that the trigonometric functions problems by using the allied angles, also compound angles and sum to product to sum of the trigonometric functions. So next another one problems. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ LHS ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು LHS is equal to sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Yes, a square minus b square formula, a plus b plus b into a minus b, sin 6x minus sin 4x equal to sin c plus sin d formula ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ equal to 2 sin of 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into cos of 6x minus 4x divided by 2 into sin 6x minus sin 4x is equal to 2 into cos of 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin of 6x minus 4x divided by 2 equal to 2 into sin of 10x divided by 2 into cos of 2x divided by 2 into 2 into cos of 6x 10x divided by 2 into sin of 2x divided by 2 is 2 get cancelled. Is also 2 get cancelled. So 2 1 are 2 5s, 2 1 are 2 5s equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into sin 5x into cos x into so cos 5x into sin x equal to 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ, 2 ಈ ಕಡೆದು ಇರಲಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆದು 2 ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ 2 sin 4x 5x into cos 5x ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, sin 5x into cos 5x into so 2 sin x into cos x equal to sin 2x formula, 2 into 5x into sin of 2x, sin of 2x equal to so sin 2x into sin of 2 into 5 is equal to sin 10x is the RHS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ RHS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ sin 2x plus cos 4x sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to 2 sin x into sin 10x. So that one is the RHS value. LHS is equal to RHS. Next another one example. Same type of example is prove that sin 2x plus 2 into sin 4x into plus sin 6x equal to 4 into cos square x into sin 4x into sin 4x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು sin 2x plus 2 into sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to first one is first ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ so sin 6x ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin 2x plus 2 into sin 4x equal to sin c plus sin b is equal to 2 sin of 6x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos of 6x minus 2x divided by plus 2 into sin 4x. So that one is the value is equal to 2 sin 6x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos of 6x minus 2x divided by 2 plus 2 into sin 4x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into sin of 6x plus 2x is 8x divided by 2 into cos of 6x minus 2x is 4x by 2 plus 2 into sin 4x equal to 2 into sin of 2 1 2 4 so 2 sin 4x into cos 4x 4x by 2x plus so 2 into sin 4x is 2 sin 4x is common both the terms equal to cos 2x plus 1. So is cos 2x is equal to 2 sin 4x into so 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So 2 into 2 is 4 into cos square x into sin 4x is the RHS value. Okay, next one is example cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Solutions. The LHS is equal to cos 4x. Cos 4x is cos 2 into 2x equal to cos 2x in sin z form 1 minus 2 sin square x equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into sin square 2x is sin 2x whole equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 2x whole square is equal to 2 sin x into cos x equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4 sin x into cos x. sin 2x into cos x whole square is 2 square is 2 square 4 into 2 is 8 sin square x cos square x is the RHS. Is the RHS. Next another one is trigonometric equations. Very important. Trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations means any equations is involving the trigonometric functions, that equations is called a trigonometric equations. So 2 sin square x plus cos x equal to 7. So that one is a trigonometric equation. Is x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a equation. Is a equation. So that one is a trigonometric equations anta karita. Gottaita? So is 2 sin x into cos x equal to, so 4 sin x anta equal, right? So that one is also a trigonometric equation. Is also a trigonometric equation. Is 2 cos square x minus sin x plus 7 is equal to 0. So that one is called a trigonometric equations. The equations involving the trigonometric functions sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x, anyone is trigonometric functions ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತ functions ಅನ್ನು ಅಂತ equations ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ trigonometric equations ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The value of the x is solved. The x is solved, so that one is the solutions of the equations anta karithivvi. Solutions of the equations. The anyone is x is satisfies that the value is called a solutions of the equations anta karithivvi. Athwa so value of the equations anta karithivvi. Hangene so is x is solved in that equations is satisfied, so that is called a, so is principal values or solutions of the trigonometric equations anta karithivvi. The value of the x is solved. ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ x ಅಂತಕ್ಕದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ x ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ the value of the x is satisfies that equation is called a solutions of the equations. The x is solved many equations, so that one is called a general solutions of the equations anta karithivvi. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ x is solve so many solutions, that one is called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ solutions is general solutions of the trigonometric equations ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So general solutions of sin x is equal to sin of x is the solution is r. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ x ಅಂತಕ್ಕದ್ದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಯಾವಕ್ಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಈಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ x is equal to alpha is one solution. X is equal to alpha is one solution. So is the general solution is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha is the general solutions of the equation. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು one is. Next one, second one is cos x is equal to cos alpha permanent. Yes, alpha is a solution of the x. So is a general solutions is equal to x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So is a general solutions of the equations. Right? Next one is third one is tan x is equal to tan alpha. Tan x is equal to tan alpha. Is the general solution is x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. X is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution is sin x is equal to sin alpha. Okay. So is cos x is equal to cos alpha. Okay. So tan x is equal to tan alpha. Okay. X is equal to n pi plus alpha ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದೇ ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ principal value of sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 ಗೆ is the principal values. Principal values ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 which implies ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 is written as sin of pi by 3 30 degree ತಾನೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ so is the principal value is ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ x is equal to pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3 is the so principal values of the equation a sin x is equal to root 3 by 2a. Next one is sin x is equal to principal value of sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Find the principal value of sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Note solution is sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Is sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin of 30 degree ತಾನೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 6. So is allied is sin x is equal to sin of minus 5 by 6. If the solution is equal to principal value of the x is equal to minus 5 by 6. X is equal to minus 5 by 6. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ is tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. Is solution same ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. So tan x is equal to root 3. Root 3 is also written as tan of 60 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 3. ಹೌದಾ? General solution is equal to ಈಗ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3. ಆಯ್ತಾ? is the general solutions of the equations. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ is find the general solutions of general solutions of sin x is equal to root 3 by sin x is equal to root 3 by ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. root 3 by 2 general solutions. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 is also written as sin of pi by 3. 60. So is general solution is equal to 1 marks, 2 marks. Right? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into pi by 3. So proof ಇಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನ. ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ solutions of is secant x is equal to 2. Secant x is equal to 2. ನಮಗೆ secant x ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಸೊ is 1 by secant x 1 by 2. 1 by secant x is cos x equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2 is written as cos of 5 by 3. Is the general solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 is the general solutions. So next ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. cot x is equal to minus root 3. Find the general solution. Next cosecant x equal to minus. Next tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Next cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. ಸೊ ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇವಿಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೊ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್.